Most guys think women only melt when you kiss their lips, but here's the truth. The lips are just the beginning. Studies in psychology and human bonding show that certain, often overlooked kiss spots can trigger massive emotional and physical attraction. And once you know them, she'll think about you long after you've said goodnight. Today we're going way beyond the obvious, into the 8 places to kiss her that will make her absolutely obsessed, in a good way. 1. The forehead kiss. Sounds innocent, right? But here's why it works. A forehead kiss signals protection, comfort, and genuine care, something that deeply connects with women on an emotional level. Imagine walking her home after a date. You pause, smile, and kiss her gently on the forehead. She'll feel safe, valued, and seen, and that sticks in her mind. To the top of her head. This one's even subtler than the forehead kiss. When you're hugging her, leaning down and kissing the top of her head tells her, without words, I'm here and I've got you. This taps into deep bonding instincts. Think about how parents comfort children. It's primal, it's nurturing, and it works. 3. The cheek, but with intention, not the quick grandma peck. I'm talking about a slow, deliberate kiss near the cheekbone, maybe with your hand brushing her jawline. This says you admire her beauty without rushing into something overly intense. It's playful, yet intimate. 4. The neck. Okay, now we're getting into the territory that most guys think they know. But here's the secret. It's not just about being passionate. It's about timing. A slow, light kiss on the side of the neck when she's least expecting it, say while you're cooking together or mid-laugh, can send shivers through her. The neck is full of sensitive nerve endings, so it's a hot spot for instant chemistry. 5. Just below the ear. This spot is criminally underrated. The area right under the earlobe is highly sensitive. A gentle kiss here, maybe combined with a whispered compliment, is insanely powerful. It blends intimacy with a sense of mystery. Because you're so close to her ear she can feel your breath. 6. Her hands, old-fashioned maybe, effective, absolutely. A light kiss on the back of her hand during a date, especially if you're already making good eye contact, feels chivalrous, romantic, and rare in today's world. It stands out because almost no one does it anymore. 7. The shoulder. Picture this. She's wearing something that reveals her shoulders. Maybe you're sitting A light kiss here feels spontaneous, warm, and incredibly intimate without being too forward. It's also perfect for moments when words are auntie enough, like when you're proud of her, or just enjoying her presence. 8. Her wrist. This one's more daring and should only be used when you already have strong chemistry. The inner wrist is delicate, warm, and has a pulse point. A soft kiss here, maybe while holding her hand, can feel incredibly personal, like you're in on a private secret. 9. The corner of her mouth, not quite the lips, but close enough to make her want more. This teasing kiss builds anticipation, a powerful tool in attraction. You're showing restraint, which actually increases desire. 10. Her collarbone. This one's for moments of deep connection. The collarbone is elegant and sensitive, and a kiss here communicates both admiration and intimacy. It's a great way to slow things down and savor the moment. Now notice something. These spots aren't random. They're all tied to either emotional safety or physical sensitivity. When you combine the two, you're not just kissing, you're creating a memory. Attraction isn't just about sparks. It's about making someone feel deeply understood, valued, and desired. When you kiss her in ways that connect both body and mind, you're building something that goes way beyond the moment. So, which of these kiss spots surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more real, respectful, and powerful relationship tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.